Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. For today's video, na-receive na natin ang ating order from Uncle Pinoy Lechon. Ayan. You know what guys? Uncle Pinoy has the best lechon in the UK. The crispiest and juiciest. The very juicy lechon. Only from Uncle Pinoy. Ayan, unbox na natin. Aray! Ouch! Woohoo! Ayan. As usual, it comes with the insulated pack. Of course, meron tayong and ito, naka-vacuum sealed ang ating pork belly lechon. You okay, Z? Look at my baby. Z, hi! Hi, guys! Say hi, guys! Wave! Okay, let's continue. So, guys, yung lechon belly nila ay luto na siya. Ilalagay na lang natin siya sa oven para mag-crispy. Parang reheat ba? Reheat. Ayan. So, if you're here in the UK at ayaw nyong mag-prepare ng lechon, ayaw nyong magluto, mag-order lang kayo sa Uncle Pinoy. So, ayan. Naka-ready na ang ating paglulutuan. Ayokong hawakan. Yan. Ooh. So, guys, nakailang order na kami nito. So, you have to pat dry first. Yeah, para matanggal yung mga moist niya habang inano. Wala kaming kitchen towel. Ano ko na lang to. Ayan. I-dry natin. Pat dry. Pak, pak, pak. Pak, pak, pak. Pak, pak, pak. Pak, pak, pak. And then, pahiran natin siya ng konting oil. Oh, nakalimutan kong i-preheat yung oven. Konting oil. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Ayan, guys. Luto na siya. Kaya lang, kailangan natin ipa-crispy yung balat. So, we'll put in the oven 190 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Minsan, depende sa oven natin guys. Minsan 20 minutes okay na. Yung air fryer, 20 minutes okay na. Pero yung oven ko, 20 to 30 minutes. Yung last time, 20 minutes eh. Pero tingnan natin ngayon for today's video. Ayan, lagay natin yan sa oven for 30 minutes. Ayan. Let's wait 30 minutes. Ayan guys, check ulit natin ang ating pork belly lechon. Ooh! Wow! It's crispy na guys. Wow! So crispy! It's done! Ooh! Ooh! Crispy! Hi guys! So, ready na siyang slice, cut. Oh, ayan. Oh. Tapos, meron siyang extra skin na binigay. Unahin natin. Mm. 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 Wow, it's so juicy. Very juicy, guys. Oh, hindi nag-dry, oh. Mm? Mm? Wow. Wow, Z. We have crispy lechon. Daddy will be happy. Look at that. Wow. Everywhere crispy and juicy. Mm. Wow. Mm. Look at that. Guys, look. Guys, I was so excited. Oh, I was so excited na mag-video. Ayan na, mainit pa. Wait. Tikman natin tong laman. Wow. Ito, pure laman. Sausaw natin sa toyo mansi. Mm. Wala pa rin. Zorem. Wala pa rin. Walang pagbabago. Sarap. Mm. Nabusog na ako, guys. Mm. Mm. So guys, wait ko si Simon mamaya pag uwi namin, ito yung ulam namin. So if you're here in the UK, try with Uncle Pinoy. Napaka-crispy, napaka-juicy. Kita nyo naman, lahat ng part ng skin, crispy. And, ayan, hindi siya dry. Mm. Masarap talaga, tsaka crispy. Mm. Okay lang, kahit walang yung tanglad, kasi minsan, pag nasobrahan, ayoko din. Mm. Mm.